Okay guys, welcome to Pictures Part 2. On this one we are going to do number 2, screenshots, and number 3, formatting pictures. So let's do screenshots first. Alright, what we're going to use this time is screenshot clippings. So I'm going to show you where it is. We click on Insert, we go to Screenshot here, and then we click on this Screenshot Clippings in order to take a clip of it. So watch what it's going to do. First, we're going to go to the internet and find a picture of a vehicle, and then we are going to screenshot that, and we're going to put it right here. Alright, so let's go to the internet, and we're going to look up vehicles and click on images. And we're going to scroll down. If you want to look for a car or something like that, that would be fine as well. Alright, this car right here looks pretty cool. Alright, so I'm going to leave this car right here, and I'm going to go back to my Excel document. So now what we do is we go to the Insert tab. If you're not already there, we click on Screenshot, and we go to Clippings. When we click on clippings, it takes us to this screen. It grays it out, and then we have this little crosshair or plus black T, and then we click and we drag over our picture however much we want of the picture, and we let go. And once we let go, it inserts it into Excel. So then we can resize the picture and put it over here. And you'll do this with your avatar today. Alright, so now we're going to do another one. Go to the internet, we're going to find a picture of a person. So you can look for something, a person that you like. So I'm going to go back up to the top here. And my person I'm going to look for is my favorite singer, and I'm going to find a picture of her. This looks like a cool little picture right here. So I'm going to take this picture of her, go back to Excel, and I'm going back to Insert. Let me click off of that picture so I don't insert over that one. Alright, now I'm going to click on Screenshot and click on Clippings. Remember, wait till it grays out, and then I am going to click exactly how and make it as big or small as I want, and then let go, and it will put in your picture. So that is how you do screenshot clippings. Alright, now we're going to click on formatting pictures. Alright, on this one, we already have pictures of some animals in here, and what we're going to do is we're going to follow the blue things at the bottom. There's so many different ways to format pictures. So we're going to click on this dog here, and we are going to sharpen 35% for corrections. So once we click on a picture, if you notice, when we don't click on it, we do not have that format button, format tab up here. So when we click on the picture, we get this format tab. So when I click on format, I'm going to look for corrections here. So under this corrections button, we're looking for sharpen 35%. So this one says sharpen, so we just have to put our mouse on here that says soften 50%. This just sharpen 0, 25, and 50. And ours was sharpen 35%, which we may have to do this 25. So we'll do the 25% because I don't think we can get, because these are different. These are brightnesses and contrast, so that's not the same thing. So we're going to do 25% here. So it changes that picture. Alright, now we're going to click on this one. We're going to crop this one to a shape. So we're going to go back to format. If you notice over here on the right hand side, we have the crop button. So what we're going to do here is we're going to hit that button, and we can crop the picture out, or we can crop the picture to a shape. We're going to do it a shape here, and you could choose whatever shape that you want. Okay, but I'm just going to pick one here, and it's kind of cool because it takes the picture and puts it into that shape. So that's a really neat thing to do. Alright, now here for this animal we are going to remove the background. So under the Format tab, over here the very first icon is Remove Background. Now this can be a little tricky here. This purple that shows up is what is going to delete out of the picture. So if you notice right in here, we've got to get that little piece of that ear. So what we're going to do here is we're going to mark areas to keep, because we're going to click up here to see if we can get that part of the ear. Okay, and we did get that part of the ear. Now I'm going to click down here to get his part of the body, and until I can get all of his body here. There. Now we've got the part of that, and all this other background is going to be removed. So I'm going to click on Keep Changes. And now he looks like a picture that was put in there with no background. It's pretty cool. Alright. Now, this right here is a field. We're going to fill a shape with this picture. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to right click on this, and what we're going to do is we are going to let's see, I was hoping it would let me save this picture. Okay, let's see if we can do it this way then. Alright, I'm going to see if I can drag this picture off to the desktop here. I don't know if it may not let me, because I was changing pictures, because usually it lets you save them. Okay, so what we may do here, we'll come back to that one. Let's do these other ones first. Okay. Alright, let's do artistic effect here. Alright, artistic effect is right here. These are really cool. Each one of these has a different type of artistic effect. This is a marker and pencil grayscale. That one's really cool. This is a watercolor sponge. Cement. This one's really cool as well, the glow edges. So you can play around and pick whichever one that you want. Plastic wrap. And that just gives it a cool little effect to it. Alright, let's click on this one. Alright, and on this picture we are going to change the picture style. So right here we are going to choose one of these, and each one of these has a name to it. So you can pick whichever one you want. I'm going to use this soft edge oval. That gives it a cool little effect to the background. Alright, so for this picture, what we're going to do here, for going back to our little bird here, what we're going to do here is we are going to insert a shape. Alright, so you just pick whatever shape you want. It does not matter. I'm going to pick this one. Alright, I'm going to leave it over here for right now. So what we want to do here is we want to put a picture in this shape. So we want to start with the picture first. The shape first, and then insert the picture in, instead of what we did on this one. We took the picture and then we cropped it to a shape. Alright, so what we're going to do here is let's go and save a picture to our, let's see if we can go get a picture of a bird. It doesn't matter which type of bird. This one right here's, I'm going to use this little green one right here. Alright, so I'm going to right click, save image as, and I'm going to save it to my desktop so I can load it. And I'm just going to call it bird and click save. Alright, now we'll go back to Excel. Alright, now with this shape highlighted, what we're going to do here is we're going to go back to format. And do you see right here where it says shape fill? Okay, so we're going to fill that shape with a picture. So we're going to scroll down, we're going to find picture. Alright, and we could have done it from this way too. We could have clicked on the online pictures, which may have been a little easier, but we're going to click on from a file to make sure if we ever save a picture to our desktop we can upload them. So we're going to click from file, and then we are going to click on desktop because that's where we put it, and find the word bird and click insert. So now our bird is in this shape. Now it may not look as good, so we may need to move our shape around just a little. And now we will take this one out and replace it with this one. Okay, now you should have yours finished. And now complete your part 2, screenshot and formatting pictures in your avatar file.